anoden
na debio sa covenant is canon sasla no
ye nya audit ye mu kunta
na ye twa na ben
me pacho bebre minim una ya okwa MPP meeting e ya bi so mo
uda sam shabe ko
una ya okwa MPP meeting
ye be bisa
me NDC ni
ye be bisa
ati me joma ama ni obeka bia meta na chi
ye bisa
sarakate ma
mieka
and a big platform like this na ya ma kwanya say be deliver speech owura John Dramani mama gunu hwani mu ase poto
to ayampia
and the fini bia sa ka Ghana 24th African Business Conference organized by Harvard University owura John Dramani mama
so da ka ye pia un kasao
Tianana Komia, you know, or say in your own speech, you admitted that the monies have not been audited. So how come you said Nanado Danko Akufo has squandered the 33 million Ghana cedis, 330 billion O cedis? You would have made lot of sense if you, the former president, had only requested an audit of the funds before jumping into conclusion. That's what any responsible leader will do.
Okay.
From your own words, you said the money hasn't been what? Audited. A spending that has not been audited. How do you come into conclusion that someone has squandered the money? And money that's not audited. How do you come to the conclusion that we have lost the money or use it for elections? He need to desist from making pronouncement that someone has squandered the money, use it for election without providing any evidence. Because John Dramani Mahama catch for Harvard University say na Akufo this kind 330 billion for the year campaign.
Osu kwa kasa mu kra wo se yenye audit ibia, yenye auditors kan bia.
Sarakate.
Dey na chesses kan wadi.
And your whole former president to be at an international forum and say that even though we haven't conducted an audit, in your opinion, we have misappropriated the money and that use the COVID-19 money for election without providing any proof is disgraceful. It doesn't befit the status of a former president. Wow. This is Nana Kumia, one of the MPP Kratana say, yes, Sarakate.
Maneka. Asana ko biaso kabi. Omo bia tinka so onto kasa.
And you Owura John Dramani Mahama, a former president of the Republic of Ghana.
Yes.
When is Syria color difference be him?
Difference be.
Penny power what the Ghana so pain.
O kasa.
Why you assemblyman pain? What be MP? What be deputy minister? Why a minister? Vice president. O crowd you so Kromaba and the China president.
Anu so case na no odin o.
Nyame hira no.
Ufi fie se o ko adwuma as a vice.
Mr. Say Owura John Dramani Mama do pepa and the body am person ko suggest.
Am kaso tu o.
I do pepa no body am person ko suggest. And money FM 96.5.
That's right.
Hi.
Obo money the bomu na go also Bogos.
That bet or ammonia bank the whole Ghana e Obuase.
Bogos. Bogos find out
Bogos to Obuase. Obuase Black Park. Tie Obuase Black Park. You will jar or to ammonia bank and ammonia catching kwa mountain now. Black Park.
And the bear come to
I'm telling you.
How many Bogos?
And to Owura John Dramani Mama gonja need the shikonkron. Body asun so ni ko suggest you.
Cash.
No say ammonia bank kwa
sa. E gana no odin.
Madam Fubian is said to say you are near the love.
You are near the love.
On to me can rough on say you are near the love. I'll profit it to one penny for a cook them we are see for nine near more kwenya.
That's right.
24th African Business Conference organized by Harvard University. Never can some papa. Afina bofru kwa nesi so mutrase. Sika wo se ye audit you. Yenya mu akunta yenya nkyere ne yemfanye. Ya se ye audit ye. Eye de na atum.
Enti obani demand sika no wan fi no. That then presidency 1 million de ye sika. Enso so wan fi no because obo Ghana sika ho ban. Wonim say blackmailing o ma ho kwan ma obani ti me blackmail Ghana. And I do until say, one more. Oka se oni bibi we wo bibi wonu phone so na wakoto dan amount no wakoto dan is lego no the amount no akoye we no the amount no watoka no the amount no this sika gu accounts na na do the until say o enye no kre the security of the country are bringing now the priority they say country no president interest number one priority now all bibi was so mo ye e the bomb opinion no buy no omo ye e the bomb no buy And untina na saying my penny to coin not na private jet in one. Na ebinimo can was winning the security not winning the winning and the winning information of Mukuta. And in almost a man penny quant na jet win fanning call. And a bonnet for no near message or Mutimutino. On person got na passenger deal no more bonnet or mutimi aye. Ghana mine security jet you man that's security or more bomb mine or buy a protect your minor interest. And then so what one have to say. Ninkura se yebia na walker se wono okutana na ado niema no so what ho nanke yampa nanko de baaye nanko wiase nyina wo bia hwa eka na ado nkwa na nanim aguase na Ghana anim na aguase or represent Ghana tinka Ghana anim na aguase na ado nkwa it is obi blackmail president or she send niema enye papa e dey say o mampanyinia na emra what's any dino ewo you are not talking about those laws. What me call police station institution mandated Ghana mine ama ho kwan so mon conduct investigations will be BM also koye case ukoya with the recorder show akwa record a police for mpanifo nkomo a wo muni wudi eni mudi ama nkomo no masa akwa sesa ensem na ekoso omo de niam bia sa akwa hihye no ma be born radio say we as man nyina nti na onim criminal offense criminal offense no country bia wo bia no emeriti mi do e ma wo be face the criminal law so wonim South Canada and amote America de mpo bia mbe but se mere do a emera no e be so mu adofo say wa broni me be kasem no sesi a na medical ka kire mo say omo a omo didi nachi a omo sori a omo say Ghana mpanifo din I'm going to let you know who they are. Obi je so baby a o te kuru a friend Virginia na adu danko akufa sa oba no o ka se wa broni group no Oliver na say ye che no e wo Ghana say face the country or dwini cool sem no ripa ba ko fake account so nko a wonim de wo yenti ene odu aba mo mo sorry a na mo se mo nye niam ani no ene odu no ba ye no mo amani magu ase na de course no so no mo kwa amonim na ado untimi ngu na ado ani mase o e wo se e ba mo te ase obetuma kire wadwene one ne nya adwene ade bi ho na ekoso a obetuma kire wadwene kama ba so obegu na ado ani mase de untimi engu na ani mase etifa ne fa tu trim na ado o ye focus de ya bebre ni se ade egu ga na nyina ani mase ade a enye a wo maya emfata eyentro na odi gu ga na ani mase owie a wa beka se kama the two papa no the same thing. Of person the two papa no to papa no case is different no. What you say? What journey be habit me share na oni enya be share. So what bronya dey why ye no e ya dey a hard dwen. Na medical ka kire mo say a police for oya den wo mo ebeche no. E say was you creating new mama e dey say content creators ne bloggers ne